Well, the markets thought retail sales would continue their unbroken 2022 record of monthly gains, but it turned out they fell in October. So the Aussie dollar dropped from above 67 US cents this morning to 66.5 before recovering a bit this afternoon. But there are a couple of things to bear in mind about this. First, there's the context. Retail sales have been flying and are about $5 billion a month ahead of where they would have been if the pre-pandemic trend had continued. And second, everybody was hanging back for the Black Friday sales, of course. The share market fell, and the big news was that the Bank of Queensland fired its chief executive, George Frazis, after 3 years, and just a few months after he said that he and the board were totally aligned. Always a bad sign. Today they thanked him for his service, said different leadership is now required, and sent him on his way with $1 million. Apart from that, resources stocks went down after oil and base metals fell on commodity markets over the weekend, and Asian markets fell today, following a flat close on Wall Street on Friday. This is a chart of the probability of an American recession, according to professional forecasters. It is the most anticipated recession in history, which probably means it won't happen. This chart is Australian inflation versus money supply, and this time at least inflation is not a monetary phenomenon, as Milton Friedman assured us it always is. And finally, the ABS has been comparing this pandemic with the one in 1918. The vertical axis is deaths and the horizontal axis is age. So the Spanish flu mainly killed young people. This one targeted the elderly. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.